Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gorgias AI to automate e-commerce support replies, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gorgias account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu in the lower left corner. Select the integrations tab from the options available. Locate the e-commerce platform you are using, such as Shopify or Magento. Click on the corresponding connect button for your platform. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect your e-commerce account. After successfully connecting your store, return to the settings menu. Now, look for the AI or automations section in the settings. Click on Enable AI to start setting up automations for support replies. Review the available templates and suggested AI responses. Select a few common inquiries that you want to automate. Customize the AI responses to align with your brand's voice and messaging. Once you have tailored the replies, save your changes. Next, navigate to the Triggers section under the AI settings. Set up triggers based on specific keywords or customer actions. For example, configure a trigger for inquiries about order statuses. Test the triggers by simulating inquiries in your support inbox. Ensure that the AI responds accurately to those test inquiries. Make any necessary adjustments to improve response quality. After testing, finalize and save all settings. Monitor incoming support requests to assess AI performance. Collect feedback on AI responses from your support team. Refine the AI automation based on the feedback received. Continue iterating your AI responses to enhance customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.